Hello all, and welcome to a new video of the Microsoft 365 Administrator channel. This video is about how you can set another clock on a second screen in Windows 11. So now you see my screen, and on the right I don't have um, the clock as I had in Windows 10. So in order to do this, we need to install an extra application that's called Ekevenclock. How to do this? The first step you need to take is to click on Start, uh, open Command Prompt, and run as an administrator. You will get a question you will get a prompt and you have to press yes. And after that, the command prompt will start. What you need to type in is winget search 11 clock. What this will do is it will search for 11 clock. And it's basically this version. Let me check. Yeah, what you need to do is to install Ekevenclock, and you need to have the ID for this. So what you can do, you can select this text, press enter, and now you have copied the text. So now I say winget install, and I paste the ID. The ID is necessary to install Ekevenclock. So let's press enter and see what happens. So you see it will install Ekevenclock, or it will download it, and after it's downloaded it will be installed. So we have to wait for a few moments, and on my other screen it's installing, and when it's successfully installed it will start up, and now we can press OK. And as you already see on the bottom right, the clock is back. So yeah, big ups to the maker of Ekevenclock. And now you can see your time and the date. So that's basically how you install Ekevenclock to see additional clocks on your other screens. And yeah, that's it. So please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.